Welcome back. We're headed to the sea on worldly treats with no meats today. We've got a bit of a sweet tooth, so we're making a dessert that's popular in Croatia. Croatia is an unusually shaped country located along the Adriatic Sea. It forms a C shape that hugs Bosnia and Herzegovina. Due to a small Bosnian coastline, the city of Dubrovnik is cut off from the rest of the country and exists as an exclave. Croatia was historically ruled by the Greeks and the Romans, becoming its own kingdom in the 7th or 9th century. Following a war with the Ottomans, Croatia allied itself with Austria-Hungary. Croatia then became one of the countries to join the Kingdom of Yugoslavia, which lasted until 1991, when they became fully independent. The Yugoslav army did not support this, leading to the Croatian War of Independence. Since then, the country has seen an economic growth, joined the European Union, and has become one of the top 20 tourist destinations in the world. It is a hilly and coastal country that features thousands of islands and contains many ecoregions. The capital city of Zagreb, and the country's official language is Croatian. 4.1 million people live in Croatia, most of them ethnic Croats who practice Christianity. For this you will need 2 1/2 pound puff pastry rectangles, 8 tablespoons of icing sugar, 1 cup of whipping cream. For mixture 1, 10 egg yolks, 2 1/2 cups of flour, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons vanilla flavored sugar, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1 vanilla pod cut lengthwise and scraped. For mixture 2, 5 cups of milk, 5 cups of water, 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 2 tablespoons rum. For mixture 3, 10 egg whites, 1 3/4 cup icing sugar. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Prick the 2 rectangles of puff pastry with a fork and bake for 10 minutes until they are golden brown. Mix all the ingredients in mixture 1 in a food processor. In a very large, non-stick pot, heat mixture number 2 at medium heat. Bring to a boil and remove from heat. Add mixture number 1. Stir, then cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes, stirring constantly until mixture thickens like a pudding. Make sure it doesn't burn. For mixture 3, beat the egg whites and add the icing sugar gradually while beating until stiff. Incorporate the egg whites slowly and gradually into the warm mixture, number 1 and 2 together. In the bottom of a baking ring, place one of the puff pastry rolls. Pour the hot mixture and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Whip the cream with 4 tablespoons of icing sugar. Remove the cake from the refrigerator and pour a thin layer of whipped cream on top of the cream. Place the second rectangle of puff pastry on top and sprinkle with 4 tablespoons of remaining icing sugar. Oh, it's so good. It's like a extremely, extremely good vanilla pudding. With pastry and sugar in there. The vanilla taste is really good from the vanilla bean.